Hello and good morning. My name is TeluguVamshidhar and I am currently in my fourth year BTech at Sree Vidyanikethan Engineering College, Tirupati. Now I will be walking you through the mobile application that I have developed for the round 3 of Riktam hiring process, which is a hackathon. And the problem statement basically states that we need to develop a mobile or web application that allows the users to add issues, and the issues should contain information like the images and the metadata like title, description, date and time and all that stuff. And the other user should be able to upload the issue, and they should also be able to add comments to the issue. And the app should also contain some basic functionality like login and registration part. And the admins of the application should be able to change this, update the status of each issue. And I will be explaining you the features once we go to the walkthrough. So as you can, let me restart the app first. So as you can see, this is the login page of the application, and it authenticates the user based on email and a password. And for the front end of the application, I have used Flutter, using which we can develop both Android and iOS from a single code base, and it's a framework from Google. And for the backend, I have used Firebase services. Like for the authentication part, I used Firebase authentication, and for the storing metadata, I used Firebase Cloud Firestore, and for storing media and all that stuff, I have used Firebase Cloud Storage. So let's first log in with a already registered email, and then I will show you what happens. Like I will show you the registration process as well. So let's first sign in with a existing email, and the password I have kept for almost all the accounts is password. So let's try to log in. So once the login is successful, we are redirected to the home page, and this contains all the list of issues that were added by all the users. And each issue will contain information like title, description and the status of the issue, and the images that are related to the issue, and the upvotes it has received, and also the comments. So these are the comments that have been added to this particular issue, and these are the related images which were added as well. This has only 2 comments, so let's add a new one. So I just kept it random. So this has been successfully added to this particular issue, and now let's try to go to a new issue and see. So as you can see, this particular issue has many comments, and let's like this one. And this also supports like and dislike feature. And the third tab contains all the issues that are related to the current user, to the current logged in user. And as these issues are his own, he should be able to edit it. So he has this edit option from here, using which he can change the what do you call so the title of the issue is new issue. Let's change it to something random title, and we can also delete the images and add new ones from here. I'll just save the edit, and this has been successfully updated. And if you go to the list of issues page, that particular issue has been updated with the title that we have edited. So if you want to add a new issue, we can do it from the add issues page, where we need to input the title of the issue. Let's make it temple cleaning, I don't know, and let the description be anything. And let's add a random image. I'll just okay. So we are not limited to adding just one image. We can add as many images as we want. And once this is done, we need to submit it, and this will be added to all the issues. And this upload time totally depends on the upload speed that the user has, and we can do some optimizations like compressing the image and all that. And once this is successful, we will be redirected to the list of issues page. And it seems that my internet speed is too slow. So what's basically happening is the images are that particular image is being uploaded to the cloud storage of Firebase, and once that is done, we are storing the the link of that particular image in the cloud Firestore along with the title and the description. And also this if he has added date time, then it will be that particular date time is added. And if the date time is not been mentioned, then it will just take the current date time. As we can see, we just added a new issue, and it is present in the list of issues page, and the image is yet to be loaded. If you go to the comment section, that image hasn't been loaded, as this is a new issue. There are no comments, so let's add a new one and it has been added, and there are no upvotes for this, so let's upvote it. And that's basically what we get from the user side. Now let's try to create a new account and see what happens. I will we can log out from this from the current session using this top right icon. And now let's try to log in with a email that doesn't exist. So this particularly validates the user, like if the entered password is right or not, and the entered email is registered or not. So let's try to, I don't know, at gmail.com. I will keep the password as password only. So if you try to log in with a email that isn't yet registered, then it will tell the user that the email is not yet registered. So it says no user found for that email. So let's sign up with that particular email. So we need to sign up. So it says password. Okay, so let's sign up. And what happens is the registration of that user is being done, and he will be redirected to the home page as always. And if you go to the my issues page, as this user is a new one, there aren't any issues for him, and this basically concludes the part for the user side. And the problem statement states that the admins of the application should be able to update the status. So I will show you that functionality now. So we need to log in with using an admin account. It's admin@gmail.com, and the password is as always I kept it as password. So if we log in as admins of the application, we will not have options like to add any issues. We will only have option to update the status of the issue. So the random title issue has the status of open. We can update it by clicking that chip, and we'll have these 4 statuses which are like submitted to newspaper. So let's mark it as resolved, and that will be instantly updated. And that's basically concludes the part for the admin side. And these were all the features that were implemented. And the unimplemented, the features that are not yet implemented, might be the admin should be able to delete the post, and the user can also delete his post, maybe his own issues. And that's basically is everything that has been implemented. And as I said, the front end is developed using Flutter, and the back end is built using Firebase services. And that's basically it. Thank you.